So the question that we are having right now is longest string chain, and what we have to do in this question, like we have to form a sequence of words in the increasing order of their length. We have to form the a sequence of the words so that in every in like we can see in this explanation, the first item in the sequence is A, second item is BA. That is, we are adding only one character in the next one, and in the next one we are adding B, that is we are adding only one character in BA, and and after it we are adding C. So it is the largest sequence that we can generate. So first thing first, we have to think of all the sequences. It is not, it is sequences. That means first we can take B, then we can take A, like this we can take randomly. So firstly, let's do the coding part. The intuition in my head is we just we will use DP and we will just uh, generate the sequences according to condition. Let's see how we do it. Let n int n is equal to words dot size, and then we declare a DP of size n plus 1. Initialize with it 1 because every uh, word is a sequence of length 1. Every string in word is a sequence of length 1. So now what we have to do, we have to sort the words dot, because we have to generate the sequences increasing length, so we will sort it by length. Words dot begins to words dot end, and we will sort it using our comparator string and s1 comma string and s2, and we will just simply return s1 dot size is less than s2 dot size. Okay, we have done the sorting part. Now we will do the computation in DP. For int I is equal to 1 to I less than n I plus plus. For int previous is equal to 0, previous less than I, and previous plus plus. What we will say, if we will make our function compare, that will compare the two words, two strings, words of I comma words of previous, if it is true, and dp of I is less than 1 plus dp of previous. So what we are going to do in this case, we are going to update dp of I is equal to 1 plus dp of previous, and also we are going to take our answer in this. We have to generate the maximum now, so maximum is equal to 1, and after it we will take maximum is equal to max of maximum comma dp of I, and we are going to return maximum. Now we have just to write the compare function, which will be bool compare, and it will compare two strings, string and s1 comma string and s2. First, the string s1 is the one which has largest length. If s1 dot size is not equal to s2 dot size plus 1, so we're going to return simply false. Otherwise, we're going to take two pointers, I is equal to 0, which will point to s1, and integer j is equal to 0, which will point to s2. And while as you know, the s1 has more length, while I is less than s1 dot size, what we are going to do, if s1 of I is equal to s2 of j, we are going to do I plus plus and j plus plus, and if it is not, then we are just going to do I plus plus. And after this we are going to check if I is equal to s1 dot size also, and j is equal to s2 dot size. If it is true, then we are going to return true, else we will return false. So I think this will give us the right answer. Indeed, let's submit this and check. Yes, it is true. So it is the code for a problem. I hope you have understood.